Hello everyone, Mike Cardinal here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, checking in on Bitcoin, extended correction right now. We are going to update the levels based off the extended correction to the 6174 area with most recent swing high. Came back to the rotation zone, still holding the rotation zone. Now, if we close below the rotation zone, 5950, then we'll be watching for a key pullback to about 5,800. The gain level is 5,804, but we'll be watching for 5,800 with the rising 50-period exponential moving average on the 4-hour. Remember, also for the shorter-term levels, you can also do the most recent swing, which gives us 63.14 and 64.54. The major level, 65.44 and 69.14. If we break below 5,800, then we'll be watching for a return to the 54.35 area. Let's check in with that on the daily. Okay, so 54.35 is slightly below the rotation zone, and we have a key resistance becoming support area, which is actually aligns with the top of the rotation zone. So I'm going to revise that to 55.35 to 55.50 area, key pullback on the daily. That's what we're watching for. Not much going on in Ethereum. Dropping below the rotation zone again. This cannot hold any bid right now. It cannot hold any support. Key resistance now at about 172.50. Key support. It's holding this prior level of support right here about 166.50. If we drop below that, we're really going to be watching this about 164.70 area. It's a gain level, and there's another little support shelf. If you get a close below that, then we'll be watching the 157. So we have 156.93 as a gain level, 157 we're rounding up, and this is key low right there. Levels to the upside remain in place right now. Let's check in on the daily chart. Ethereum's actually acting very weak compared to Bitcoin. It gets a slight bid when Bitcoin runs up, but it does not have a lot of strength, so be careful with that. If we drop below the 165 area, we'll be watching for about 160. Then below that, 157. Same upside targets in place based off the daily. Again, we have slight separation in the rotation zone, but we haven't been able to get a strong rotation up. So be very careful right now with Bitcoin. If any weakness comes, with Ethereum, if any weakness comes into Bitcoin, Ethereum will react much more to the downside. I'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.